Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Bros channel. Today we've got something truly exciting and revolutionary to dive into, and trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. We're talking about a project that promises to shake up the investment world as we know it. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's jump right into it. Now, you might have noticed that the current investment market is, well, a bit of a mess. A lot of Layer 1 chains just aren't cutting it anymore, and many high-profile projects have failed to deliver on their promises over the past year and a half. Traditional fundraising methods are starting to feel like a thing of the past, but there's been a buzz in the air about pre-sales, especially with the success of projects like World Liberty Financial. And this is where Nexchain comes into play. Nexchain is a decentralized, AI-powered blockchain that's designed to bring secure, scalable, and developer-friendly solutions to multiple industries. Here's the kicker. Their airdrop is live and it's massive. We're talking a $5 million prize pool in Nex rewards, plus every purchase comes with a sweet 50% bonus automatically applied. The code, NEX50. No hoops to jump through, just pure value. But what makes Nexchain truly stand out? It operates at the intersection of cutting-edge blockchain technology, integrating directed acyclic graph architecture with AI. This makes the system faster, more resilient, and highly scalable. They've got governance mechanisms and real-world utilities that are set to drive long-term value, impacting the token's price as the ecosystem evolves. In the pre-sale phase, Nexchain aims to raise $50 million, representing 20% of the total token supply. Security is top-notch with post-quantum cryptography, AI-driven anomaly detection, and self-healing mechanisms. The technical jargon might sound heavy, but what it means is that your investments are protected by some of the best tech out there. Now, let's talk features. Nexchain integrates AI with blockchain to enhance scalability, security, and interoperability. Their AI-enhanced smart contracts are self-optimizing and adapt to real-time conditions. They're bringing cross-chain interoperability into the mix, which means seamless asset transfers. Advanced security features ensure fraud detection is on point and transactions are protected. And their directed acyclic graph structure allows for parallel transaction processing, which boosts scalability and speed. All of this operates on a sustainable model with staking rewards, governance, and an annual token burn to maintain balance. And here's a golden opportunity. There's an early pre-sale going on right now where you can snag Nex coins at just 1 cent. The coin price at listing is expected to be 30 cents. That's a potential 30-fold increase on your investment. But time is ticking, so you'll want to act fast. Nexchain also offers a referral program with instant rewards in USDT. You can claim your reward as soon as you bring in a new user. No waiting around. It's simple. Authorize, connect your wallet, create your link, and start earning. To wrap things up, if you're looking to dive into a project that's set to redefine the blockchain space, Nexchain is the way to go. Don't miss out on the pre-sale and those exclusive rewards. Head over to their website, check it out, and jump in early. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links are right there in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.